bonniescreativeplace.stampinup.net, and I am here with a card that I made at my Monday night class this month, and I thought I would share this card with you. Before we get started with this card, if you see the little pink square over there on the right hand corner, if you could click that little pink square, that'll let you be subscribed to any of my up and coming videos. And if you'd like, comment, any of that good stuff, that helps me more ways than one. Also, I'd like to let you know that if you'd like to join my Stampin' Up! Team, I'd love to have you. You can go to bonniescreativeplace.stampinup.net and you can click on the join button there. It's $99 for $125 worth of product. It's a really good deal, and I'd love to have you on my team. So, without further ado, let's start the card. Now, I'm using the Ice Cream Bundle Suite. It's in, it's sweet ice cream. It's this bundle right here, and it comes with the punch that you see right here. The punch and the bundle got carried over, or the punch and the stamp got carried over, but the paper did not get carried over. So if you want any of this paper, hopefully I get this posted before the end of June, then this paper will be available till the end of June. So if you want that, you know, pop on over to my website and order some of the paper before it's gone. So let's get started on this card. Over here in my little package of goodies, I have all my scraps and bits and pieces. So you need first a piece of basic white that is 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4 in the middle. So we can go ahead and score this. And we'll put this right here. Get my score tool out because you know me. Oops. I like to give it a good crease. There we go. And then I'm going to take, let's see, I think I'm going to use this one. I am taking a piece of, I don't remember the measurements, 3-inch by 3-inch piece of the DSP paper, and I'm taking a 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 basic white paper, and I'm going to put these on top of each other just like this, and I'm going to use my Stamp and Seal Plus here. And I'm just going to put this down just like this. And then I've brung in, if I can talk today, I brung in some gorgeous grape ribbon. And I am just going to put a little bit around it like this. And then we will tie a bow on the other side. So flip this over. Oops. Go. There we go. So we got that. And now we can go ahead and place this down on our card base. There we go. Just try to center it. Try to keep it about equal parts on each side. There we go. So we have that. And I will need another little snip of this. And we're going to just tie a little knot right here on the side. Maybe I didn't leave myself a long enough piece. Yeah, I did. I just got to get a hold of it. There we go. Well, thought I had it. I just want a tiny piece here. But I want it to go the right way. There we go. And we'll trim that after we add the ice cream cone down. So now I have some scraps here. A bunch of scrap pieces. And I am going to go ahead and I'm going to stamp the ice cream cone. I'm going to stamp the base of the ice cream cone in this cinnamon cider here. So I'm just going to stamp that right there. like that. You guys can all see that good. And then I'm going to stamp my soft suede. And I'm going to stamp that right on top. Give it that cone look. It's really cute. Okay. Then I went ahead and I brought in the Fresh Frizza, ink, and I'm going to stamp the ice cream cone right on here. I don't think I can fit it. Well, I don't think I can fit it on there. I could fit it on, but I don't know if I'll be able to punch it, I should say. So I stamped that on just like that. Then I went ahead and I took, there's a little dots in there, and I'm going to take the Memento Black ink, and I'm just going to add these little black dots right on there. So it looks like that. So there we go. And now we'll punch this out with our punch. Just line it up. And there we go. And then we'll line up this side. I might have to trim this off a little bit over here so it can fit in my punch the way it's got to go in. Well, I didn't plan that out too good. Nope. Oh, Lord. It still needs to be a little shorter. There we go. Guess I could have stamped that there, and look at that. I would have had them both at one time. Well, I'll save that for another one. Okay. So then I've got my silicone mat here and a little bit of liquid glue. And we are going to just put a little bit of glue right along there. Put that right on top. I'll give that a second to here together. While that's working, we're going to come back to the card base. We are going to bring in the Happy Birthday that's in that set. I'm stamping it up in the Memento Black ink. And I'm going to stamp it right down, right here at the bottom. It's just a quick little, simple little birthday card. There we go. And then I'm going to flip this over. There we go. And add some stamping dimensionals to it. I like to put one right in the middle where I glued them just to keep an extra little, what do you want to call it? Secureness there. And then I'm going to stick this right about here. I guess I have my, on this one I have the ribbon down a little lower. On this one I have the ribbon up a little higher. Guess it doesn't matter. All depends on where you want to put them. And there is my card, everybody. So that's the card that I did at one of my Monday night classes. And I hope you like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff, guys. And I will be back with another video. Bye-bye.